Right, I've got some resin made up. We're going to give it a little stir in there first to make sure the colour is blended well. These are really just micas mixed with a bit of alcohol, I think, or something like it. Doesn't actually have ingredients on it. Anyway, that should be enough to colour this portion of stuff. Let's go in with it like that. Oh my god, look. Try and get off all of the colour off the stick. Oh my god, it's going to be really quite solid. Which is cool. I hope anyway. Hope this doesn't ruin it. I'm still learning quite a bit. Okay. Wipe off my little thingies. Put my lid back on my colour. Pop them bubbles over there. Okay. Let's mix. Oh my gosh. Fascinating colour. Let's get all of that resin off the sides walls. Mix it all up nicely. If I have to make up some more, I will. And I'm hoping this is sitting level. I've tried really hard to get the board level. I don't know where I'm going wrong, really. Look at that colour. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful, isn't it? That's such a pretty colour. Do you think that's dark enough? It needs pouring really, so I'm going to go ahead and pour it. Now I have to make up more and hope I get the right depth of colour with it. Anyway. Definitely needs more. I still need a little bit more. Do you think I need a little bit more? So hard to tell. Let's put some blue in there again. Hope we get the right amount to cover it. You see that? That colour. Let's check this out. That's about right. Okay, that looks good to me, I think. I'm surprised how little bubbles there are. Just gonna... Okay. So that's that one done for now. We're going to put the cover on and see how we go with those two layers.
I want to.
Oh, there we go. I'm going to run around that because I've got some big bubbles coming up. Okay, let me get that little thing again. I'll go in. Run around the edges, both sides. Pull up all the bubbles. Yes. 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 That's it, perfect. Oh shit. Okay. I'll bring you back to demold and then we'll look at that in a second. Then we've got this one. This is the new jar, the lid. I just poured it in the blue and add anything to it. I thought I wanted to just see what it comes out like. It's even got the screw bit. Oh my god, that's so cool. Release it. Wow. Got a few bits of pigment that didn't mix in there. And that's beautiful, isn't it? Can just rub off that bit in with like an edge. I could maybe even top coat this so it's like domed. Don't you think? Could even put something on there decorative and then cover it. That's really cool. So I'll do the jar to that as well. The little cute little paws. Oh my god, they're so cute. Get you in focus, sorry. Isn't that cute? I think I'm in love. I'm excited. Hope it's all right. Just release the edges a little bit. It's good seal on there. A little few extra bits that need to be broken off and rubbed off. I can file them with a nail file or a deburrer, which I have. Oh, I'm so excited to see what it comes out like. Some of the bits I put in probably can't be seen because they're on the other side of it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's actually embedded in there. It's perfect. Oh my god. I love it. Shall we see what it does? Because it's supposed to be the pink and the Illuminous green blue was meant, you know, they're meant to be luminous. So we'll put the UV light on it for a bit and see if it glows in the dark. I'll have to turn the lights off, obviously. So yeah, we'll put the UV dark in here. card. I think I could probably leave it for longer, but look. I'm so excited. You can see that clear greeny blue that we done. That's so cool. Look. I'm so excited. That's so cool. And this is made, I've made this for Neil. Major skunk. So I hope he likes it, and I'm so glad that I got it right. Right, thank you for joining me, guys. Much love, babies. Folks, see you again soon. Bye.